After much anticipation and speculation, the renowned Chinese tech giant, Xiaomi, has officially unveiled its latest flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 14. This cutting-edge mobile device is set to redefine the smartphone experience with its remarkable features and innovations. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi 14 is its 6.36-inch 2670 by 1200 OLED direct screen. Developed in collaboration with TCL CSOT, it incorporates the revolutionary CSOT C8 luminescent material, which brings a host of upgrades over its predecessor. The screen boasts an impressive 1.5K resolution and supports a pixel density of 450 ppi. Xiaomi claims that this display provides a visual experience on par with the highly regarded iPhone 15 Pro. The screen's brilliance doesn't end there. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, it's the brightest Xiaomi screen to date. What's even more impressive is the 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, which not only delivers a smoother user experience, but also helps reduce power consumption by 17%. This adaptive feature allows the screen to automatically adjust its brightness according to the surrounding environment, ensuring optimal viewing in various lighting conditions. TCL, Xiaomi's partner in developing this remarkable screen, has lauded the Xiaomi 14's display for its use of C8 luminescent material, LTPO technology, ultra-narrow bezels, and high resolution, offering users a small screen experience full of surprises. This collaborative effort signifies a significant leap forward in the Chinese screen industry. The Xiaomi 14 is developed for one-handed use with its small form factor and ultra-narrow bezels. Its straight screen appearance, with equal-width bezels on three sides, is not only functional but also aesthetically appealing. The upper and side bezels measure a mere 0.9 mm, giving it an impressive screen-to-body ratio. While the chin is slightly thicker at 1.7 mm, this appearance is still remarkably eye-catching and practical for everyday use. Thanks to the C8 luminescent material, the Xiaomi 14 achieves a peak brightness of 3000 nits, while maintaining remarkable power efficiency. The device manages to reduce power consumption by over 17% compared to its predecessor, marking a double leap in brightness and energy efficiency. Furthermore, the Xiaomi 14 supports full DC dimming for enhanced eye protection, and has obtained German TÜV Rheinland certification, ensuring a safe and eye-friendly display. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 14 is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This chip offers a significant boost in CPU and GPU performance, while reducing power consumption. Xiaomi asserts that the CPU performance has improved by 32%, while GPU performance has seen a 34% boost. The Xiaomi 14 boasts a formidable camera setup, including a 50 megapixels main camera light hunter sensor, a new generation Leica Sumlux lens, and an aperture of f1.6. This sensor supports optical image stabilization and promises a 180% increase in light sensitivity. The device also features a 50 megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera and a 50 megapixels telephoto camera with optical image stabilization for impressive versatility. The 75mm floating telephoto lens allows for excellent close-ups and long shots, while a 32 megapixels front camera ensures stunning selfies. To ensure you stay connected and powered throughout the day, the Xiaomi 14 is equipped with a 4610 mAh silicon carbon-negative battery. It supports lightning-fast 90 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging, thanks to the Surge P2 fast charging chip and Surge G1 battery management chip. In terms of connectivity, the device boasts USB 3.2G and 1 interface, with a maximum speed of 5 GB per second, IP68 water and dust resistance, NFC, Wi-Fi 7, infrared remote control, stereo dual speakers, a 4-microphone array, and an X-axis linear motor. Now, let's take a closer look at the pricing options for this remarkable mobile phone. 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage, priced at 3,999 yuan or approximately $547. These competitive prices offer users the flexibility to choose a configuration that suits their needs, from the standard models with ample memory and storage, to the top-of-the-line variant, for those who demand the very best in both performance and capacity. Regardless of your choice, the Xiaomi 14 delivers value and innovation at a range of price points. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 14 is a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. With its stunning display, powerhouse performance, top-tier photography capabilities, and exceptional appearance, it is set to make a significant impact in the highly competitive smartphone market. This device represents a giant leap forward in small screen quality and innovation, setting new standards for the industry. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Have a nice day and see you soon.